I'm Josh, and this is Lily.
But we actually saw your trailer, and that looks amazing. And the idea of all of y'all running around together, I think that is tremendous.
We're having a blast.
We try to find your soulmates, kind of like people that have your value system. Not everything has to be the same because we're all different. Right. But the unique part about being out here in this environment and being full-timers, because we sold our beach house. Wow. And we're from Florida. But meeting people from different parts of the country, because we got Mexican friends, we got Cuban friends. Yeah. I mean, every kind of person you can think of lives in America. We know Indian people, we know Spanish people. You get to meet so many wonderful people.
A lot of them we meet because of our YouTube channel.
Well,
but we have,
I think
yeah.
it's incredible. I love that you all doing that because it doesn't. So, like he had said, so we both are campers, kind of in our own right. So my kids came up in 4-H and FFA, so I would take our camper to different events, and we camped for years. And then he was more the off-road vehicles, not so much with us.
Quads and Glamis and Nocatune.
I'm getting over here like because of the wind.
So me going out there, and then she went out in the water, and then doing the fair market.
Yeah, we were definitely more
like
water, river-based.
Yeah. So I won on the dirt.
So we've actually had this about 3 weeks. Well, just under a month.
Just about a month, yeah.
Just about a month. So we actually went, our first trip out was to Glamis, and that was all sand dunes. It was at the tail end. Then we did in Arizona, we did with a group that was
Box Canyon to Florence, and that was a rough ride. Florence to Superior. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That was a long ride and a good workout. Yeah. But
we're learning all kinds of things.
That thing's been fun, and getting out and being alone, and again meeting people. We met the guy waved to us over there, and he had a Can-Am. So later that night, I ran over there, and I'm like, "Hey, I just want to stop in and say hey." And we ended up there last night having.
That was great.
I was part of their group, and just having a good time, and came over here. And these two, they live here forever. This is their home, and so we had some good cauliflower and chicken curry with them. That's what we do.
That's what it's all about. So this rig, what made y'all want to get this rig? Of course.
Well, that bad boy is too long for any indoor storage, like a weekend warrior toy hauler. Right? So Overnighter came out with one that's got the bed on the back. So you can go on the bed on the back, and you got your living quarters inside. It's the only one long enough for the Can-Am.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So we rented this and decided to pull it with the 1500 to see how it did before we went and got one.
And I see your tag says out loud.
Yes.
That's an Arizona tag.
That is an Arizona tag.
And why does it say out loud?
Because we live our best life out loud.
I love it.
Awesome! Awesome! So, do you think this is big enough for y'all to be part-time in?
This would be good for part-time. It wouldn't be good for necessarily traveling with kids, I think.
Right.
It's really, and you're welcome to see inside. It's got two bunks on the bottom, one that comes down on the top.
Oh, a little tiny kitchen.
Little tiny kitchen.
Awesome. Bathroom.
Bathroom.
Oh, that's a pretty nice bathroom.
Right?
Oh my gosh, storage back there. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Got some good little storage, and then it's got a queen bed up here, and then these two fold out to bed. So comfortably it's 4, but not to hang out in.
Right. And a refrigerator, and then you can open that screen door and be out there.
And this locks. We got our patio.
This is awesome.
So essentially back here, we put a tent back here and have a couple more, and you're off the ground. And
yeah. Wow. And how do you like it?
This is her first, it's her second camper trip, and I think she's a natural. She loves it.
Awesome.
Yeah, it's not good for living in, but it's good for probably a good 2-week travel.
Yeah. AC unit, y'all.
Oh no! I lost my phone. So she says, "I lost my phone. Find my phone." So her phone watch helps her find her phone.
I do that almost daily.
Yeah, she's spoiled.
Refrigerator.
We've been married for almost 40 years.
Nice. Is this not nice, y'all? the ramp to get the Can-Am up in there. And look there, locks to strap it down. That is nice. This is pretty sweet, actually. Pretty sweet.
No, well,
Oh, microwave.
none of us are really from
Nice.
Florida. We're originally from North Carolina.
So the ramps just fit in.
It's right in like that.
Okay.
Set. Figure out where the truck's gonna be. We're gonna try and get it all the way over to this side so we have
Room for stuff.
room for stuff. Yeah.
Sweet. That was awesome.
Teamwork.
All right. Y'all have a good trip home.
Thank you very much.
And thanks for letting us film.
Absolutely.
All right. See ya.